Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan minivan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the cruise control switch on the steering wheel. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. So removing the cruise control switch is actually quite easy. You don't have to remove the airbag. I've seen some people trying to remove the airbags to access this cruise control switch, but actually there is one screw holding it here in the back. I started removing it so you can better see it. It's gonna be right here, and it's gonna be a torx T20 screw. So what you want to do, you want to use a torx T20 socket and remove that screw right here. And one more tip, it's always a good idea to turn the steering wheel in this position. That way you'll get much more access here to remove that screw. For example, if you have a longer extension or a screwdriver, that's gonna make your life much easier. Okay, so this is the screw. It's quite long actually, and once that is removed, this cruise control switch will become completely loose. So just want to wiggle it off the steering wheel, and that should be it. Okay, just like that. And now all you have to do is disconnect this connector on the back of the switch. Okay, so I will try to zoom this in. You will have like a small black clip to press, like right here, which you want to press, and then just remove the switch, just like that. So once again, one connector to disconnect and one screw to remove, and that's it. There is no need to remove the airbag and do yourself extra work. Before replacing this cruise control switch, always make sure to check all the fuses and make sure that your airbag clock spring is actually good, because most common cause of cruise control not working is actually a faulty steering wheel airbag clock spring. But if that all proves to be good, you can test the power to this switch. In my case, this switch was not good, so just get one from the salvage, plug it in, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.